Welcome back. Today I will be doing my current go-to favorite eyeshadow look. This is just a fairly simple eye look that I've just been loving lately, and I would like to just do a quick tutorial on it and show you guys how I do this. I will be starting out with my Real Techniques Essential Crease Brush. I'm using the shade right here in Soft Barley Brown. I will go ahead and start working this color into my crease. This is a really pretty transitional color. It's just a nice soft brown. Just making sure I put it a little higher up the brow bone there so it's a nice transitional color. And then I already have my base done today. Just wanted to have this video just a little shorter, so I got that done off camera. And now with an e.l.f. eyeshadow brush, I'm going to take this color in Idaho Sunset and work that over from the inner corner of my eye toward the center of my lid. I just love how these shades blend together and just like the contrast it gives. It's just this really pretty look that I am just like pretty much obsessed about. It's actually fairly simple, but really effective. Like I just love it. Just continuing to work this lighter color from the inner corner over, and then it just like packing it on. This eyeshadow brush is great for packing the product onto the lid. I'm now going to take the color in my well-loved My Minerals palette, and I think I've failed to mention that I am using all My Minerals eyeshadows today, and this is the color Sable. Here I am going to use this and darken up my outer corners of my eyes, and again using my Essential Crease Brush, I'm gonna go ahead and work that into the outer corner of my eye here. Just darken it up a little bit. So the outer corner, also like outer V area of my eye. My voice is cracking a little bit. Not sure what that's all about. All right, as you can see there, I went ahead and darkened that up a bit, and I'm going to go ahead and do that on the other eye. I'm also taking the darker brown there and running it a little bit into my crease, only about halfway. And using a Real Techniques smudge brush, I'm going to take the color Soft Barley Brown and run a little bit of that underneath my eye, just right below the lash line there, or right at the lash line here. And what this does is it just helps tie in my eyeshadow from the corner of my eye and just blend it nicely, so there's like a seamless transition right here underneath my eye. It also helps add some really pretty dimension. Alright, so you can certainly leave the look like this It is a really just pretty, you know, transition with the browns and then that nice Idaho Sunset, lighter shimmer, you know, kind of white cream shade. What I like to do is add a little bit of a darker eyeshadow just to kind of enhance this look. And what I'm going to do is, using my Real Techniques shading brush, I'm going to use this color here in Luxe, and I'm going to run that just a little bit above my lash line, my upper lash line, and then down on the lower lash line to create this little bit more darker look. It serves as like a little bit of eyeliner look, like you have eyeliner on, but it's definitely going to be a little softer because it's a shadow. What I'm going to do is just run this underneath my eye here, just about, not quite halfway, just to my pigmented part of my eye. That's kind of a hard thing to explain there. But hopefully you can see what I'm doing there. And then with this eye, you can see that it's kind of just darkened up and added a little bit more, like to where it draws my eyes out a little more of a dramatic effect. Now taking my e.l.f. Blending eye brush and taking the color Starluster right here, and I go ahead and pop some of that on the inner corner of my eyes. I really feel that this step is one you don't want to forget. It just really brightens the eyes and gives you that like awake look. I just love this step. It's one of the best parts. Then using the same shade, the Starluster color, I am going to run a little bit of that above the brow bone. I'm using the fluffy eye blender brush by e.l.f. to apply this right at my brow bone. This color is like one of my favorites. I use it all the time. I use it for highlighter. My brow bone. It's just a really pretty versatile color. Now to apply some mascara. I will be using two different mascaras today. I like to use the Simply mascara from Minerals on my lower lashes. And then I will be using a mascara from Hippie Chic Cosmetics. It's a natural waterproof mascara in black. So I'll be using these two here. I'm gonna pop some of that on. And I also like to do two coats. So I like to do the Simply mascara on the top and bottom, and then I go over just on the top with the mascara from Hippie Chic over the top of my lashes. It's like this combination that I really like. It turns out really, really pretty, and then adds some volume to my lashes without clumping, but just really comfortable wear. And these are both in the shade black. Mascara is applied. I forgot how much I liked this combo. I've been wearing my bareMinerals Lash Domination for a while, which I really enjoy that formula as well, but this is really a nice, pretty mascara, and I just really like it. I am now going to take some of my bareMinerals Bare Skin Complete Coverage Serum Concealer and run that underneath my eyes just to give me some extra coverage, and then clean up any fallout that I may have, which I love these eyeshadows because they have very little, like almost to no fallout at all. So they're really great, but I'm just gonna brighten up the under eye area and give a little bit more of a sharper edge on the outer corner there. And using my Real Techniques Deluxe Crease Brush, I'm going to work this in underneath my eye. To set the concealer under my eye there, in the under eye area, I am going to use a finishing powder by Minerals. It is a very nice translucent, really fine powder. It also has an SPF of 15, so it is a great finishing powder for, I use it for my foundation, I use it for setting concealer, and also setting the concealer under my eyes. One of my favorite products. And using a Real Techniques setting brush, I'm going to go ahead and set that concealer under my eyes. This powder works really well because of the lightweight formula. It doesn't add a whole bunch more product underneath your eye to where it, creases or, has so many layers of products where you can visibly see that it's, caked on or anything like that. That's why I really like it. It's nice and thin and just really sets concealer so nicely. To finish this look, I will be adding some lip liner and lip gloss. I will be starting with bareMinerals lip liner in Borderline. It's this really pretty nude lip liner. And then starting from the outer corner here and working inward. I am now going to go over my lip liner with another bareMinerals product. It is some sugar gloss in the shade Brilliant. Here. It's a nice pretty nude gloss to go over this nude lip liner. There you have it, the finished look. I really have been enjoying this so much. It is a really fun go-to look, and you don't have to concern yourself with eyeliner, but you get that effect if you add that darker shade underneath the eye and above the lash line. This is really one of my go-tos, and I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you like what you see here, leave comments below. And also, if you'd like to see me do any future looks, click on the link below and follow me on Instagram. I post pictures on there of the looks I do. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.